Hi students, today we are discussing class 10 construction of tangents to a circle. So here we will discuss how to construct two tangents to a circle from a point outside it. For that, let's draw a circle. Any radius we can select. Take a point outside the circle. So here I am taking the point P. Here the center of this circle, first circle is O. Next step is join O and P. We will get a line segment. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. We know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. For that, we have to place the metal tip at O. Take more than half of OP. Draw an arc above the line segment and below the line segment. Then without changing the compass, place the metal tip at P, draw an arc above and one below the line segment. Then join these two intersecting points, we will get the perpendicular bisector. We can use dotted line for joining. This dotted line is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Then place this midpoint of the line segment is M. This midpoint is M. That means OM is equal to PM. Then take center as M and radius as OM or PM. Draw a circle with center M and radius as OM. Draw a circle. It intersects the first circle at two different points. Q and R. This point is Q and this point is R. Now, after joining PQ and PR, we will get two tangents. The first tangent is PQ and the second tangent is PR. See, this blue colored circle is our circle and we drew two tangents PQ and PR from the point P. Once again I will explain. First we have to draw the circle. If the radius is given, then we have to take that radius. Here I did not take the radius. So blue colored circle is our circle. Then take a point P outside the circle. Then center of the circle is O and P is the point. Join O and P. Draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. That is the dotted line. Then the center of OP is M. Then with center M and radius OM or PM. With center M and radius PM, draw the circle, that is a red colored circle, and that circle touches the given circle at Q and R. So join PQ, that is the first tangent, then the second tangent is PR. Hope you would understand the concept. Thank you.